What are the latest developments in the Sudan civil war? In May 2026, the Sudan civil war has intensified sharply with fierce fighting in Khartoum and Darfur. Rival militias and government forces have opened new fronts, causing hundreds of thousands to flee their homes. This escalation has shattered fragile ceasefires and worsened the humanitarian crisis, with aid agencies struggling to reach affected populations amid the chaos. Sudan's neighbors have taken a more direct role. Countries like Chad and Egypt are reportedly supplying weapons and troops to their favored factions. This external involvement has heightened the conflict's complexity and fueled fears of a broader regional war. Diplomatic efforts are strained as alliances shift rapidly, making peace talks more elusive than ever. The human cost is staggering. Over 3 million people are now internally displaced or refugees. Food insecurity is critical, with famine risks rising in several areas. Humanitarian corridors remain blocked, limiting aid deliveries. Health services are overwhelmed, and disease outbreaks are increasing, painting a dire picture for civilians caught in this relentless conflict. Efforts to broker peace have hit a deadlock. Both sides distrust each other deeply, each believing they can gain more on the battlefield. International mediators warn that without renewed dialogue and compromise, the war could drag on for years, devastating Sudan's future and destabilizing the entire region. A surprising development is the rise of drone warfare and cyber operations. Both factions have deployed drones for reconnaissance and strikes, while cyber attacks disrupt communications and infrastructure. This modern warfare element complicates the conflict, making it harder to predict outcomes and protect civilians. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.